We are going into there. It's been a long time since we've done
that's very explainable.
into
So
the
there's just like
graveyard.
this thing where it's like a circus. You wanna? Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's
This
go.
is
to the
October
circus.
21st. It is way past that.
I
And
don't
we
care.
got revolvers.
Uh oh.
Bro, I sniped that.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Bro,
Come on.
I love revolvers.
All right,
You're
in
okay?
here.
Alright.
We got this.
Oh, my flashlights. Alright.
What's this?
We need to be careful. Grave. We can dig it
The
up if we
circus.
had, like, I forgot what it was.
The circus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, the
Dude, I have a
circus.
Dude, I have a bad feeling about this. You know why?
Why?
Clowns. Oh no! No! Don't
What?
aim your flashlight. It's that one thing, remember? A long time ago we discovered?
Huh?
I think I just got nightmares.
Why? What thing? What thing?
Oh my! Oh my! Oh, over that way.
Huh?
Did you just see it?
No.
How'd you not see that?
The lady
I'm
that
not
is it
gaslit.
the lady that jump scares you?
Yeah, but a clown. And when you're over here, you can see it up here. If you look away and then look back, where is it? It disappeared.
Samuel, come on. Nope. Nope.
Did you see it?
Regretfully. Regretfully.
I don't like this.
Oh my. Do you still want to go?
I don't know.
Here, wait, let's shoot it when we see it.
so
Let's
shit-
shoot it if we see it.
Remember that one dude in the office, though? That's like changing. Hon,
Oh,
we gotta go
I
out
just burped.
Hon, both look away in 3, 2, 1. Look back. Why didn't it work this time? I saw it earlier, but it only happened when I looked away. Did you see it?
Saw it over there in that corner right there.
It's usually when you look away. I don't see it.
There it is.
Where? I didn't see it.
I just saw it. I shot it. I
Shooting
shot
at
it.
nothing.
I shot it.
Shot
I
at
shot it.
nothing. Right there.
What are we doing, bro?
I don't. What? I have one more shot. I think. Can you destroy that so I can reload? Right there.
Where?
You didn't see it? Can you handle these? I need
out.
to shoot something. Me too. Help! I'm dying. My controller. Alright, I got ammo again.
Here, keep this on you, just in case. Keep that
Protect
on
me.
you.
Free ammo.
Oh my gosh, there's so many of them.
Thanks. The fact
What happens if we hit this?
Oh yeah, you have to hit it with the crowbar. But some stuff could spawn. Some evils could spawn.
I got a key!
That's good, but grab the key, hurry. And bring it over to the beginning.
Help
bring
me,
it to the beginning.
I can't.
Or bring it to the beginning. There was a locked thing over here, remember?
That scared me. I insert key!
You got it. What does it
What?
unlock?
You want to
Chest.
open it?
No.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, what's this?
Oh. Oh my.
This is new. Oh my! I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo. Ammunition.
They're eating me! This is so fun!
And deadly.
And scary!
Help!
Samuel! Samuel! They got Samuel! They got him! They got Samuel! Oh no! They got him! No! I'll avenge him. He doesn't have any ammo. He doesn't have any ammo. He doesn't have any ammo. I'll avenge you. Ah! I got flashbang. Okay.
Kill them all!
I can't
killing him.
do that.
I'm killing. They've only done half my health.
They grabbed my crowbar.
You
I
gotta
need you to
kill.
hit the. I need you to hit those things, the little like lamps. Yes! It didn't work. Did he die again?
You have to kill the dude. You have to kill the dude with the chest. He's the one spawning them.
Okay, I'll try. I'm too heavy. Run! No! Help me! Help! Help! Help me! Help!
I don't know if I can. There's too many of them.
Help!
I gotta kill them.
I got this.
I'm dying.
Wait, I got this. I got this. Alright, I got this. Okay. Alright.
How are you even... Dude, how are you supposed to live through that? No. Hold on, let me grab a crowbar. We have to kill the chest.
You're gonna die tonight! I killed him!
No, he can't spawn anymore now.
Run, 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 run! Oh my... You won't get past me! Oh. They literally didn't.
Ooh, the chest.
They quite literally did not get past me.
What's this?
Ooh, wait, can I see it? I mean,
Oh, there's another chest.
I drinked it.
What did it do?
I don't know. I feel all weird. Oh! 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 Ah! I'm so jumpy.
Me too, I drink one too.
Ammo.
Feels so powerful. It's like the virtual boy.
This is extremely fun. I won't lie.
Except the clown part, that was scary. I think my gun disappeared. Well, that was creepy. And fun.
Alright, reload. Also, I got your gun.
Oh, okay.
You want it?
Yeah, it's fun.
Ow.
Stop killing me. Where's my gun?
Here it is. Alright, here, wait.
Alright, yeah, I have ammo now.
Alright, you sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh, wait, look. Ooh, food!
I know, it's fleshing.
Food!
It's no, oh, don't eat it, don't eat it.
Yummy.
In fact, I told you not to eat it. My fault. Bro. Ow, dude, you just shot me.
My bad, bro.
Very little health.
Okay, let's go,
Bro.
hurry.
Nothing like getting shot by your friend.
Oh, hey, these are your stuff, by the way.
Other stuff.
Take your stuff.
I
Samuel?
don't need that stuff. Yeah?
Okay, you don't need it?
Yeah, not that stuff. Should we do this?
I mean, we just went against like the scariest thing
A
imaginable.
revolver! A free revolver!
I'll take it, since I gave you one.
No!
Actually, you know what? You need it. You can dual wield.
No. Oh wait, yeah, you're kinda right. Protect me.
You're welcome.
Protect me!
I can't.
Ow. Where's my backpack? Oh, my backpack's gone. And let me do that, and then...
Oh, Oh, by the way, guys, I can make a video that's over 15 minutes long now. Because I'm a big boy.
True, you can do that.
What is that? It's a Whoa!
What?
It was a golden skull.
For me, it was just spray.
I would shoot, but I don't want to accidentally kill you.
Yeah, because I'm actually pretty low on health, and I just rediscovered that.
Alright, come here. Ammo drop. Ammo drop. Alright, we're max on ammo. Come on, we're max on ammo. We have to go there. Some point, sooner or later, we're gonna have to go. Come on.
Look away, look back.
Huh?
I was trying to look.
Let's go. Come on.
Right there?
Come on. You wanna go to the circus, don't you?
No.
Didn't know they made a place all about you. I'm sorry.
I'm like kind of scared. You go first.
I'm not going first.
You got the flashlight.
Oh wait. I know where it is, Samuel. It's right there.
It's not it.
That's it, man. That's it.
What? What's it? Are you playing tag? If something's it? Oh, I just sniped it up by accident.
That's it. I'm done. I'm done.
What?
That's it. That's it. I'm done playing with them.
Let's go. I think you're finally finished.
Nope.
Trying to die.
Nope, I'm
What?
not done. I'm not done.
Oh.
You about to see what I'm about to pull out.
Oh? Oh no, he's.
You know what? Not one.
RPG?
Not one. Not just one.
Oh no. We're dead. We're
But
so
two.
dead.
Two.
Bro.
If
Don't
that clown
do
comes to
it.
attack us, they're dead. I need you to protect me, by the way, until we get to the circus. Because I'm extremely
What if I
slow.
shoot your barrel?
Well, then we both die.
Our
like
stuff
the-
goes flying.
Yeah. Protect me.
Alright.
I'm like the care package.
You're like that one terrible side quest in a video game.
Protect me. Protect me. Protect me. Protect me, please.
I am.
We're almost there.
I need more ammo. Alright.
Samuel, those give you ammo,
What?
correct? What about RPG bullets? Alright, so you see that clown over there?
Not.
Boom!
I didn't even see it.
Come on. Come on.
You should wait until you use it again.
Why?
Because if you actually see it and know it's not going to disappear,
Come on.
then we're good. I'm right here.
Snacks.
Told me to protect you.
I want
Don't let me be
snacks.
behind. What? I don't like this.
Ugh. Hit the little control button. I want to see what happens. Alright. You're so good at this.
Right there. Oh, nothing's really happening.
Alright, you ready to go?
Yes, it.
Let's go.
Never in my life am I doing this again.
Wait, let's get our fortune told.
Our fortune's gonna be told we're gonna die.
Tell her, fortune teller. Tell us, wise one.
Tell us or I will shoot you. Never mind. That was.
Come on.
They called my bluff. Where?
We're going.
Right there. I saw it and I'm running this way because.
Please don't ever say that. I just got the worst feeling in my stomach ever.
Me too. Oh no.
Wait, is there nothing in here?
I feel like this is a final boss.
I thought something would be in here. Aim, fire.
Don't do it.
I'm kidding. Alright, come on. Guess we're going somewhere else.
It was following us though.
What?
What?
What's following us?
Last I saw it was over there. The clown.
Did you hear that?
Yes, oh my goodness. No.
What?
I don't like that. Down there.
You don't like it down there? I got you.
Dude, I told you not. It was right there. It was behind the tree.
You wanna go? Cause I know I do.
It'll disappear if you look at it, and yes, I do want to go. Just drop those. You don't need them.
Hey, can you hit that little lamp right there? I want to see if I can restock on it. Dang it! Sorry.
Ouch.
I'm out of ammo.
Dude, we're good. We're fine.
Where'd my revolver go?
What?
I lost my revolver.
Bruh.
Dude, it's just gone.
Don't worry, I gotcha.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's the big one. Oh wait, never mind, it takes one bullet.
Can we get some free ammo? I'm out of ammo. I'm out of rounds. Ammo.
Gun!
Good. Cause I'm out of ammo. Oh, I got a whole bullet.
Hold on, wait. Yeah.
I never miss.
That's what you say until you miss.
No, you're wrong. Well, I think we're gonna end it here, right?
Nah.
Well, mine can't be up to 15 minutes, so I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye. Protect me.
Yeah, well,
Alright,
I should actually probably end my video.
Yeah, because you've probably been recording for like 20 minutes.
Most likely.
I'm gonna have to edit my video.
Yeah, I'm not. I hope you guys like this video. So, please.
My gun.
His
Where's
arm's
my
gone.
gun?
His arm's
My
gone.
long arms.
So yeah, please like this video. Bye bye. Go subscribe to Slammy Winnie, by the way. Go do it. Man. Alright.
And y'all should
Bye-bye.
subscribe to Silly.
Yeah, do that. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.